Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. I'm here with another journal flip through. I just finished this gorgeous Edith Holden journal. I'm calling it Edith Holden because I used the Country Diary of the Edwardian Lady and Nature Notes books for the pages. And I did a lot of fussy cutting from the pages and stuff. The cover is quilted, and I used some images from the Edith Holden book, as well as some pretty lace. It's 3 signatures. Feels really good in your hands. There's a sari silk closure. I'll open it up. So the inside of the book, I used a dust cover from the Country Diary of the Edwardian Lady, Edith Holden book. I also used the spine cover for the spine and the back cover of the inside of the book. Here's a picture of Edith Holden. There's a lot of lace, tabs, paper clips with dangly pearl and diamond jewelry. Each of the beginning of the signatures is a picture or fold-out page from the book, as well as the center spread. So each signature has at least 2 full spread pages from the Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady. And I love this picture. I love this flower. Excuse me, I have really bad allergies today. And the beginning of each signature also has a strip of lace. And each signature has a glassine bag. And here's a tag I made from one of the pages. I love the feel of glassine bags. Here's a pocket I made from one of the pages, one of the book pages, and a tag. And I also did a lot of stenciling. Oh, I also used printables from the Journal Boat, Vintage Posy, and Sweet Vintage Pink are the name of the kits that I used. Here's a tag, and this was a Happy Mail tag that I received. Coloring book pages. Beautiful pages from the kit. Some writing paper. I also received this little flip booklet from a Happy Mail from Marjorie, and I included it. I thought it went perfectly. Some cards, stenciled. Tickets. More writing paper. Okay, this is the center spread from the book page. Beautiful artwork of Edith Holden. More writing paper. A belly band I made with a book page image. And some writing paper. I added fabric tabs on some of the pages. This is supposed to be a tuck, but I think it glued in. Get it out. Well, I guess it's stuck. I guess it'll stay in that way. It's pretty anyway. Writing paper. I made an envelope from the Nature Notes book pages, and there's one envelope in each signature, and each envelope has purple dyed writing paper in it. 2 journaling tags, paper clipped with pearl and diamonds. I guess I should show you the back page. More coloring page, more stenciling, coffee dyed paper. I received this tag from Happy Mail. Flip for writing. Another beautiful book page. Now we start the second signature with lace. Coloring paper. Pretty tag I made with an image from the book. Stenciling. Lots of room to journal in this book. I always add lots of journaling space. I believe that's what people like to do. They like to write in their books. And you can also decorate some more in here. Writing paper. Another envelope. I won't take it apart because it's pretty much the same as the other one that I showed you, with purple dyed paper inside. Writing paper. Another belly band, this time with a tag, some stenciling. Here's a center spread, Edith Holden book page. Pretty bumblebees, writing paper, coffee dyed paper with some stenciling. Writing paper, pocket and tags. Another fabric tab. Flip page for writing or stenciling. Coffee dyed paper with stenciling. Coloring page. Beautiful Edith Holden page. And now we start the third signature, Edith Holden with lace. Writing paper. Coloring page. Journaling card. Another glassine bag with a tag. Another cute tag says kindness. More writing paper. Another beautiful Edith Holden page. These Edith Holden pages are really inspiring. I love having them in a journal. It inspires me to write about nature and flowers and all things beautiful. Some more writing paper and a belly band. I just love the way this one turned out. Writing paper, fabric tab, another flip for writing, another Edith Holden page pocket with a paper clip and a pearl and some diamonds, and some journaling cards. Another coloring page. More writing paper. Some tags. And that's the back inside. I don't know if I mentioned, but there's 146 pages or more in this book. So it'll be listed in my Etsy shop, Periwinkle Matilda. Thank you again for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And thank you to all my subbies. Have a great day.